Alright guys, so today we're gonna do a light restoration on the light bulbs. Hold on. Okay guys, so here you're gonna need a 12 volt drill or any kind of drill. This is the 3M light restorations along with some gloves. Alright, so in this kit you have P500 grit sandpaper disc, the P800 grit sand disc, and the P3000 sand grit, along with the orange sponge polish and the black attachment disc that goes on to the drill. Here we have the polish compound that goes on that orange pad and then applied to the light. Now we're just going to mask off the area that we're going to work on. Ensure that you get everything covered. You don't want to get any sandpaper scrubbing off the paint in this situation here, so please mask it off correctly. And if you don't know how, just try your best. You know, you don't want to have that sandpaper touch the paint. Guys, now you want to put on your gloves. Ensure that you have something to protect your hands. You always want to be safe, and you don't want to get any compound on your hands. Okay, so we're gonna start with the roughest sandpaper, which is the 500 grit, and we're just gonna make sure that we go into a left and right motion. You don't want to stay in the same spot for too long because you can melt the light. Okay, you want to go left, right, left, right. Don't stay in one position for too long. Again, you don't want to put too much pressure on the drill. Just do it light and let the drill do all the work, guys, okay? And there are two settings on the drill. You want to go on the slowest setting, not the fast setting. Perfect. That's how it's kind of like supposed to look. A little bit misty. Then we're gonna wipe that down and then come back to it. Okay. Okay. Use a cloth, but I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this just to wipe it down. All right. Once we're satisfied with that, all right. Now we're gonna move to the next step. The P80, which is a more finer sandpaper, and we're gonna slap it on there and get to work. Don't breathe that in, guys. All right, water in this guy. Perfect. Now moving on to the final step. You just want to cut a little bit of the edge. Don't get too much. There you go. Now we're gonna just wipe that guy off right there. Look at that difference, gosh. That's a big, big difference. I do see there are some spots that I missed. But just take a look. Let's see. Look at that. Compared to the beginning? Oh, geez, that's crazy. I do see I still have to grind some down right there, but trust me, that's a big improvement from what it was. Yes. So look, let's do a comparison. Right, that guy there compared to this guy here. Alright, let's get the little chamois. You know what? Let's go here. So you guys can see the transformation, alright? There you go. Look at that. There you go. Good looking? ¿Cómo se ve? ¿Cómo se ve? ¿Va better?